Yeah, exactly. There you go. So what recipe do you have today when it comes to the weather?
Well, it's a fairly calm picture out there. Yes, good morning to you. Not quite as cold and frosty as it's been over some recent mornings, but still a chilly feel to the weather out there today. Dry for most of us, but I think any sunshine is going to be fairly limited. And that's down to the fact that we've got high pressure still holding on to our weather, so that's bringing the mostly dry theme. But the winds are coming in from the Atlantic around that high pressure, drifting in from the North Sea. So some clearer spells out there, particularly across parts of Scotland this morning. That's where temperatures are lowest and we've got quite a frosty start, but there'll be some sunshine to compensate. Bit of brightness breaking through for Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales too, whereas for central and eastern England and northern Scotland too, we're going to keep quite a lot of that cloud. So temperature-wise, most of us around about 6 or 7 degrees out there today. A little bit colder for parts of Scotland with that chillier start to the day and some misty patches lingering for a few of us too. Now through this evening and tonight, you'll notice this area of rain moving in from the north. This is a weather front heading in across parts of Scotland. That'll bring a little bit of light rain, perhaps a bit of snow over the very highest ground. But further south, it's looking largely dry. There will be a frost developing tonight, though, with many of us seeing those temperatures falling down a few degrees lower than they did last night. Through the day, this weather front brings a few spots of light rain tomorrow, perhaps Northern Ireland, North Wales, could be a few into the Midlands as well. A bit more sunshine developing to the north of that. Some brighter skies, but quite a lot of cloud towards the south. But temperatures around about 6 or 7 for most of us again on Saturday. Just the chance for Sunday and into next week that we'll see something a little bit colder. So a northerly wind setting up into next week, but certainly the next couple of days looking a little bit milder than they have been. Naga and Charlie.